pink floor.
Yeah, so this is a Wow or Penthouse Suite. It's
Penthouse suite.
200 square meter.
So it's most expensive.
Yeah, you can see that. But when you hear about the price, you will think this is reasonable.
So reasonable luxury.
Yeah. So when you enter here, you can feel this is the Japanese Zen garden. You can see all the plant is a real plant and with the decoration of the stone represent of the garden, traditional Japanese garden. Yeah.
But why you not call suite like garden suite?
Because we go with the double brand, we call it Wow. Yes.
No, wow, garden suite.
Because it's not real, real garden. And maybe we want to keep it surprise for the guests when they enter here. If you put the name for garden, you are already assuming there is a garden, right?
No, very beautiful. This is your competitor?
Yeah.
No, hotel.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure it's office tower or the hotel.
So you can play music.
Yes, you can have the DJ in here. Yeah, you can have like a light cocktail party. The mostly for use in this room will be the boutique.
So beautiful skyline view.
Yeah. And we always before during opening period, we always say we are the tallest building right next to this Midosuji. Because it used to be, you can see this road go to the end to the Namba and then cycle into the Umeda, the south, the north area. Because it used to be the emergency landing for the airplane during the wartime. So,
There.
yes. So you can see during the old time, the building, they have the restrict for the height of the building. And you see that the hotel over there have been built one block behind.
You mean this one?
Yeah, Nikko Hotel. So during 2020, when we start building this one, the restricted was like no more. That's why we used to be the first tallest building. And the light can be changing, it's like this going on.
But Conrad is higher, no? Conrad is higher.
Yeah.
Conrad.
Cora, that is a north part, but I'm saying just,
In this part.
yeah,
Understand.
right next to Middle Shiji.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you're just in between Osaka Castle, Fish Market,
Correct.
and Umeda.
Yes. And if you are talking to the expo, you can take the green line.
An expo.
directly, yeah.
But expo when? Start.
13th of April. So just right after the Sakura.
And after that you have very high occupancy?
Hopefully, are you planning to come and visit?
Not sure.
Not sure. So you can have the panel, and here you can change the light. Well, you can change the bathroom, and the living room. Yeah. This is right over there. This is our champagne bowl.
Champagne bowl?
Yeah. I mean, it's not a jacuzzi, but sometimes during the event, we'll put a lot of ice in here and put the beer and champagne. change it according to your mood.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If you like it.
Да, very unusual garden.
This room we call it Nagaya. So in Japan, Nagaya means like a long house. So we separate all the function space using the shoji door, like this one. So normally it used to be like penthouse, they separate by the wall, right? The wall. So using the shoji style of the
Да, you can split.
yeah, and then but when you open, it's all connecting, go through together. So it's feel like a bigger